All right, Tony, let's go ahead and hit us with this timeline for tomorrow. We're all bracing for it.
Yeah, I think for me right now, 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Sunday morning, that 12-hour window right there, give or take an hour or two either side, it's going to be the time frame. So morning looks okay, rain picking up, storms picking up. Marquise and I will be here tomorrow evening, and then Kellyanne and Cam will be here for the early handoff there come Sunday morning. So active. Have your weather radios ready to go. Make sure your phone notifications are turned on, not off. You've got to have multiple ways to get information if need be, guys. Let me take you back outside right now, show you what it looks like downtown. Looking good. Love the old holiday flair there on the downtown building. It's a good-looking shot right there. Temperatures outside are in the 60s for the most part here. You can see 61 up in Ocala, 67 Orlando, right around 70 Titusville, back towards Melbourne. Here's your setup. Big dome of high pressure, front down to the south. Notice low pressure now beginning to take shape here. This will build off towards the east, northeast, and take a track just to the northwest of the Tampa Bay area, probably right over northern Lake County on into Volusia Palm Coast. Again, in that area, not going to get any severe weather because the warm sector doesn't get that far north, but it's south of there. That's where that severe weather risk is going to be. Let's take a look at the wave heights here. Still incredibly high, and they'll get higher as the storm cranks on up here as we get into Saturday. Let's take a look now at the latest satellite picture here with the radar. You can see gusty winds down at the Melbourne Airport, 32 miles an hour at the top of the hour. That's pulling in some moisture, some showers. Port St. John headed back towards downtown Orlando. So upper level feature, surface feature developing right now. The thing that we've been talking about is that severe potential based on the weekend track. The computer models are trending more towards the south, which means the northern portions of our viewing area would stay severe weather free. You'd get a lot of rain and some gusty winds. Greatest risk we think is going to be southern Marion, southern Flagler, and then as you go farther south, that risk does go up. I want to show you the Urine model. We showed you the Futurecast in-house model earlier. It's in pretty good agreement, maybe just a little bit slower than our graph. Either way, though, here comes the energy, 7, 8, 9, 10, midnight along that warm front with the Euro. Then the actual front coming on in gives it, again, another little kick, a boost of energy there prior to daybreak. A little bit of a dry slot building on in down towards the south. Let's put the winds on top here for you. There's, again, noon. 12:30-ish on Saturday. Energy building, getting stronger and heavier with the winds and the rain. And then as we get you past 5 o'clock on into 8, 9, 10, 11, Europeans just a little bit later with the more intense activity here right along the I-4 corridor from about 8 o'clock through about 5 a.m. in the morning. You can see the worst of the weather pulling offshore, but some gusty winds even behind this storm system as we get you on into Sunday afternoon. Now, when we take a look at the afternoon, still looking at wind gust here that could exceed 40 miles an hour. So tonight, rest of the evening here, isolated showers. Saturday morning, a few showers. Things picking up from about 5 o'clock on, watching that severe risk from about 5 p. to about 5 a.m., 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning there on Sunday, depending upon which model you look at. So tornado threat up north is lower. That's a 1 on a scale of a 5. And then in the yellow, it's 2. Again, the farther south, based on that track, cuts down on that severe weather risk there. Damaging winds, also a big impact. Coastal flooding, heavy rain. We've been talking about that. Also pretty high on our list. Rainfall comparison now between the GFS and the Euro, pretty much in line, 3 to 5 inches across many locations here in Central Florida. The surface, the other big concern all weekend long. Not pretty here, folks. Gradually simmering on down by Monday and Tuesday of next week. So I wanted to show you a couple of the impacts here off towards the west. 2 to 4 inches of rain, isolated 5 inches amounts there. Watching that severe weather risk in the evening through very early in the morning there on Sunday. More of the same here along the I-4 corridor. Rainfall amounts, if the European is right, could be just a little bit higher here. We'll take a look at the coastal communities coming up in the next half hour. Putting it all together, impact afternoon and evening on into very early Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon improving. Behind the storm system, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, blustery and colder. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. Western News on the CW18 returns here in just a minute.